Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a new icon for your theme. There is a quick way to do it, and well, not really. It's actually really depends on what type of theme you have and what type of icon you're going to make. First things first is you got to go to what we're going to use in this tutorial is going to be iFunbox, which I actually have a previous tutorial showing you how to use, and make sure you are able to use that. And then we're going to use this software right here, this plist editor pro. A link for that will be in the description. Just go to the website, click download now, or download right here, and then after you click download, it'll pop up with asking you if you want to download something else. You're going to hit no, because you do not want to download software Informer updates or something like that. I don't remember what it is, and obviously it's not showing up right now. If we wait a few seconds, it might show up. And yeah, I'm not gonna worry about it. Alright. So first things first is you have to decide what type of icon you want. I'm gonna be adding an icon to my benzene theme today. Hold on a second. Ugh, sorry about that, guys. Alright, well, I'm adding an icon to my benzene theme today. And luckily, I got lucky. And in my benzene theme, the person who downloaded it gave me a benzene template. So if I open that up, I got lucky. And you don't need Photoshop in order to do this, but it is it's the most elegant way to do it. And also it'll make it look nicest when you're complete. But this is the basic design for my theme. It looks like basic design for my theme. Pretty much do what I want with it. However, I'm pretty sure you don't want this glyph here for your theme, for your icon. So I'm gonna delete that and over here and just select nothing, so nothing gets selected. No, I meant to delete the glyph, not the whiteness. Okay, there we go. So here's the basic of my theme. So first things first, we need to decide what app you're going to do. So in iFunbox, you need to find your app. For purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to be doing the Bears app. And well, first things first is you need to know where the apps are. If I remember correctly, they're not in applications. Applications is all the apps, like the iOS apps. But that's not where the regular apps are. If I remember correctly, it's var mobile containers bundle application. Okay, and in iFunbox that gives you these. There's your three apps I have. If you're using a different program, such as like WinSCP or something like that, if you notice right before the names popped up, there's a bunch of numbers there. In other programs and there'll be literally lists of numbers, and you have to like kind of guess and check which one's which. But I'm gonna open up the Bears app, and the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring open this file system over here, and I'm gonna go back to where I want to add this file. And now you have to take this Metadata.plist, copy it over. Or actually, can you open it from here? Oh, you can't open it from there. Look at that. Open that up. So you don't need to copy it over, but open it up, and you're going to look down you can either look in this view or click list view. I like this view. But you gotta find the key, not bundle display name. Where is it? You're looking for bundle ID. And we'll look in list view. I might be able to find it easier. Because clearly it's got to be somewhere. Software version bundle ID. So this is what we're going to need. And easiest way to do it is to simply write it down somewhere. Or go in your theme. Actually, now that I think about it, go in your theme. I'm adding it on to my theme on my desktop, which I kind of suggest you do the same, because if you update your theme through Cydia and you just added your icon to the theme in your phone, then you no longer have your icon. It disappears because the new update won't have your icon in it. But so in your theme, you're gonna make a new folder, name it that com.yinzcm.nfl.chai. Okay, so there's my bears. That's where my bears icon goes. So I'm gonna open up that folder and leave it in that folder, and that goes in your theme under bundles, and that's where you make that folder. And that basically is telling your theme where to point the icon, where the icon is supposed to go, and along that nature. So now we can close out of this. That was the Plist Editor Pro, if you didn't notice, that I told you needed. The second thing is back in your iPhone box. You need to open up your bears. Not all this shit. We don't need all this. We just need to scroll down until you find, it'll either be app icon. There we go, app icon. These ones are definitely different than usual. That's all in the app. So yeah, app icon. 29 times 2px 40, and these numbers are the pixels for the file that you need to use. It's a PNG file, obviously. These numbers are the pixels. Now the first thing we need to do is back in. Well, actually, I'm gonna go on Google Chrome and go to Google. And I'm gonna look up Chicago Bears images. Oh, that was a horrible game. I like that image. Why didn't I just wait? Now, for my case, I want to find a simple image that doesn't have much to do, because just that's the way my theme is. However, you might be different, and if this would load. So I'm going to use this simple image, very, very simple image. It's already a PNG. Look at that. I might have just became the luckiest man on earth. Kinda, because I want it white. And I don't want to download it from the actual website. There, this will be the easiest one. But it's not very big. Yeah, I'll just use this one. Sorry, finding your image is always the hardest part of this, as some of you might already know. It'll just load. New image. Save image as. I'm just going to simply save it to where I save. Well, until we finished fencing theme development, because I actually do a lot in apps to add. So in my bears folder, and save it there. And look, it's already done. All right, so we can get rid of that. And back in. You gotta remember where that is, but back in apps to add, in the bears folder, is my large icon. I'm gonna open that up, and I guess it is already there, but we're gonna need, at this point, I need to know what the size of this is. Actually, no, I don't. If you go up here to layer, duplicate layer, duplicate it to your template document. Now I'm going to name it bears glyph. Definitely going to need to change the color on this. And so it's duplicated. So it's over here. And then edit free transform. Now, the reason we do the free transform is because, if you obviously can notice, it's way bigger. If you hold down shift, it'll keep it proportional. I want to make it the size that seems comfortable. By the way, I'm zooming in. I don't really. Okay, zooming in a little bit. Now, of course, making your theme does go past anything else. For example, I really should have probably just made this white. And then flatten image. No, undo. Merge visible. All right. And then yeah, I don't know what happened to the bear's glyph. I actually don't, but over here we're gonna go layer, duplicate layer, bear's glyph. Okay. I messed that up. Layer, duplicate layer. Layer's glyph. to benzene template. Okay. Over here, 100. Image, no, edit, free transform. If you noticed, I'm not exactly a Photoshop god, which kind of can give you guys hope on making your own, right? How's that look? Good enough? Get a little closer. Good enough, you guys think? What do you guys think? Is there a... Oh, look, you can use the arrows. Right about there. That looks about center to me. And now what I want to do is I want to... First close out of that. Oh. Edit. I'm going to unclick free transform. Enter. Yeah, enter. Okay. Enter's how you do that. So, now we need to change the color because clearly that is not a bear's color. I mean, it's a little orange, but not really. I'm going to add a hue saturation layer, and it should, yeah, if you have it below the white outline, or your two things and just above the wallpaper that I have it on, then it'll be in the right spot. So I'm going to make it a nice blue color. What do you guys think? Is that a nice bearish blue color? I think so. I think that works. Now if I really wanted to, I can make my bear's glyph orange, but I actually kind of like the white because if you know anything about my theme that I'm adding this for, it doesn't exactly scream different colors. No. Okay, so here's my new icon, and first things first, I'm going to go File, Save As, and I'm going to name it Bears Icon, and you got to name it as a PNG, so change it down here to PNG. And save. I use none. Okay. Then we can exit out of that. I do not want to save changes to my template. So, okay. So I totally missed where that saved to. So I gotta search my PC for it. I'm gonna pause the video while I search, just because simple reasons, because it might take a while. Okay, so I'm an idiot. It saved it where the original file was located. So in this case, in my theme, right here, Bears icon. So the first thing we need to do is I'm gonna do it over here just because it's easier. It's in your theme, benzene theme, bundles. You need to find that bundle. Now I don't remember. It was started with a V, right? Asking myself, not you guys. Clearly, you guys can't answer my question. But you're gonna look for your own your apps thing here. Yeah, Y. Insane. Okay. Oops. Back. Look for that Y in skin. And don't enter it, just find it. Because what you need to do is take this icon and put it in that folder. So, now that we're in that folder, don't worry about that. Now, first thing we need to do is find out what size this is. Actually, I should have just left it open in Photoshop, because you go to layer or image size, 152. Okay, so that's 152. Do we need a 152? Yes, because 152 is 76 times 2. That is also the biggest size. So, because there's no times 3, right? Yep, no times 3. So, it's also the biggest size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hit OK, leave it that size. And I do it the fast way, so Control-F, save as. And then you got to remember what to type in here. Actually, the fastest way to do it, do this. Let me move Photoshop over like this. So you could have all these here. File, save as. This was the one, so app underscore icon underscore 76 at 2x. Okay, none. And then you gotta go down the line. Let's start with the 2x ones, because you gotta go down the line and reduce the size of the image. So the next one I'm gonna do is 72. 72 times 2 is 144. Right? So, image size, 144. Okay. Save as. App underscore. And actually, the fastest way to do that, you just follow the last one and change it. Save. Okay. The next one, size-wise. Now you can do this whatever order you want. You can do it all separately. I will actually have a link to a website that shows you which icon sizes you need for certain devices, so you can skip the ones you don't need and do the ones you do need. If you want, what size did I just make this? I wasn't paying attention. Cancel. Oh, I didn't even change the size. Wow. Alright, so 120. Okay. I'm quickly doing this fast while you guys just watch. If you guys don't like that, then I mean, I already showed you the actual way to do it. So Control-Alt-I opens this, which is the image size, and image size really not that hard to find. 57 times 2, 114. Control-Shift-S is save as. App icon 57. Save. Okay. Control-Shift-I. 100. 30 times 2. Control-Shift-S. App icon 50 at 2x. Okay. Control-I. 40, so 80. Control-Shift-S. App icon 40 at 2x. Now, what's left is the 29s, but 29 times 2 is 58, which is less than 76. So I'm going to jump back down here to the 76 one. 76. Control-S. App. 76. Without that stuff. Save. Okay. And then 72. So let's die. 72. I don't know what 72 is actually. This is the first that I'm seeing of it. Anywhere actually. This is the first app I've made where I've seen a 72. Normally they don't do this. Most of the apps have capital A app, capital I icon, no underscore, no underscores at all, and then it'll say, like, for example, 60x60 at 2px instead of underscores. Like, most of them are a little different, but it all depends on your app, so none of them can be exactly the same. I don't remember which one I just did. I just did 72, didn't I? Well, we'll find out. Yeah, I just did 72. So 60 is next. Okay. Control Alt Shift. 60. Where are you? 60. There you are. 60. Okay. No. I believe next is the 29 times 2, so 58. Control Shift S. App down to my 5th. Oh, I don't have a 29 times 2. That's right. 29. Okay. The next is my 57. That's another one that I've never seen before. I don't know whether that's just because of if this is an older app, because I've also never seen this layout before. Usually it's different. Usually it's, like I said, usually it's the capital A, PP, capital I, CON, 57x 57 at 2 times. Except 57 doesn't really exist. So I'm just kind of rambling because there's nothing else to talk about. 57. The next one down is 50. Control Shift S. 50. Get rid of 2x at. Done. Okay. Control Alt I. Next one is 40. S. Now, as I said, I don't know which ones you'll need. I don't know which type of device you have. So I don't really know if you need all of these copies, but I make them because I actually host this benzene theme. So I need to have as many working as possible. So I believe that's it. I'm gonna exit out of this, and no, I'm not gonna save the bears icon because I want it to stay big. But actually, bears icon itself we can delete. And so we got, actually the quickest way I'm going to do this is details, name, have it in the same order. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14 of these. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 of those. Okay, so we got all the right icons. Now, what I'm going to do from here is I have my benzene themes right here, benzene theme, and up here, back in your folder, you want to get out of that app. But if you go into library, scroll that down to themes, here's my benzene theme. What I'm going to do is take this and copy it over. And I don't know whether that worked or not, because I really don't know how this works with iPhone Box anyway. I usually use WinSCP. Yep, there's my Yinzam NFL Chicago. So what I'm going to do now, since I don't need my phone plugged in anymore, since that's connected over YouTube, I'm going to open up iTools. Using my 5S, because for some reason, as we've already discussed, Live Desktop does not work on my... Is it not going to work on my 5S now? Well. I guess iTools has failed me. Okay. Well. Live desktop. Nothing. Alright, icons. Well, as you can see, on page 2, my icons, there's my Bears icon. That's the one that comes downloaded with the Bears app. It is clipped like the benzene icons, but it is not the same. So what I'm going to do from this point is go to Settings, and then in Winterboard, actually I don't need to go to Settings to Winterboard, do I? In Winterboard, go to Select Themes and click Benzene. Uncheck it, then recheck it. Go back out of Winterboard and respring. After my device resprings, I don't know how fast that'll update, but after my device resprings, I should have my Bears app on the yep, there we go. My Bears app is here. Now refresh. Unplug, plug back in. I don't know how well this desktop thing works. Well, you can't see it, but my Bears icon is even though I unplug it completely. Why I don't understand. I don't understand. Even though you can't see it, my Bears icon is fixed on my device. You just have to believe me in that one. But anyway, like, subscribe. That is how you do make a new icon for your theme. Granted, this isn't right on my device either, so I don't understand that. That's not the way my clock looks on my device. It actually has the clock on my device. I need to fix that. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment. If you have any apps you would like me to make for specifically the benzene theme, go for it. And if you have any other themes you would like me to make apps for, icons for, then shoot me a message or post it on my wall. I can't guarantee that I'll do it, but might as well give it a shot, right? So have a nice day, guys. See ya when the roses turn purple, I guess. I don't fucking know. Just have a nice day.